Hi everybody, back on the layout after my long walk. Over the last couple of days I've actually finished the fueling area. Well, got the track finished anyway. I think the coaling tower, which I got second off eBay, it's kind of like plaster cast, but it does need a lot of work. But that's going to be somewhere down the line. But it's coming together at last. At least I finished that side of the track. So the track now is all complete. So what I can concentrate on now is getting the turntable running. But what I forgot was I actually laid code 100 track to the turntable, forgetting that the turntable itself is actually code 75, and they didn't, the engine didn't like it. So I brought some of these, which I used last time when I fitted the turntable, which is the Pico 100 to 75. So I can drop down and just onto the turntable use 75, so I can get the engines on the turntable okay. I've actually fitted a couple, one here, one here. These are what I had from the last layout, and one over there, because I haven't actually wired the turntable up yet, and I've been here 18 months, so it'd be good to have that running. I just thought in between modelling I'd just have a bit of a play. So it looks like the A4's been serviced and she's ready to go. There, so it's on the turntable ready to get fueled up. Before I can wire the turntable up, I've got to obviously have somewhere to put the control box for it, which is there. Now I've been into garden and butchered some timber, which hopefully I'm going to fit along here, and then fit that control board, oh sorry, and at the side of it fit the power cab connector, which is just screwed into the wall, just there, and also the turntable control. So I'll have a go at fitting that and we'll have a look. Right, so I've knocked a bit of a box up so I can fit both on, and then there should be a ledge at the end to put my controllers on. Right, so that's my control box fitted. Just needs all the gubbins in it now. Over here, I've managed to set the turntable, and I've got one of these DC concept switches for plugging in. So if I plug that in, everything, he says, should come on, which it does. Down here I'll have the switches for the lights, the smoke machine and everything, and this is where my hand control will go. Certainly neaten things up anyway. I've changed all the joints on the turntable, so it's a code 75 going into the turntable. It seems to run smooth enough. I haven't calibrated it yet. I'll actually do a video on calibrating. I don't think my last one was very good. So I just can't help myself. This is the Q6 coming out. I think I've turned the smoke on a bit too much. I think the driver's got the wrong way. That'll be my fault then. So that'll do for this week, folks. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll have a few points wired up by next time you come, but not my favourite job, going under the bench. Okay, well please comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching again, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.